Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly turn their weekend hobbies into six-figure businesses while others struggle to make even a single dollar from their passions? The secret isn't talent, luck, or even having the perfect hobby. It's something far more accessible and powerful than you might imagine. Stay with me because in the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way ordinary people transform their hobbies into profitable ventures. And by the end of this video, you'll have a complete roadmap to monetize literally any passion you have. What if I told you that the painter who barely sold one canvas a year is now generating thousands monthly, the weekend gardener has built a thriving online empire, and the person who just loved playing video games has created multiple income streams that dwarf their day job salary? These aren't isolated success stories or people with special advantages. They're regular individuals who discovered how to leverage AI to amplify their passions in ways that were impossible just a few years ago. The landscape of hobby monetization has completely transformed. We're living in an era where artificial intelligence acts as your personal business consultant, marketing team, and growth strategist all rolled into one. But here's what most people don't understand about this revolution. It's not about replacing human creativity or passion. It's about amplifying what you already love to do and scaling it in ways that seemed impossible before AI entered the picture. Let me share something that might shock you. The biggest barrier preventing people from monetizing their hobbies isn't lack of skill or market demand. It's the overwhelming complexity of turning passion into profit. Most people get lost in the maze of business planning, marketing strategies, customer acquisition, and all the technical aspects that seem to have nothing to do with their actual hobby. This is exactly where AI becomes your secret weapon. Artificial intelligence eliminates the traditional barriers that kept passionate hobbyists stuck in the amateur zone. Think about it this way. Every hobby has three core components that AI can supercharge. First, there's creation and production, where AI tools can help you produce higher quality content, products, or services faster than ever before. Second, there's audience building and marketing, where AI algorithms can identify your perfect customers and help you reach them with laser precision. Third, there's optimization and scaling, where AI analytics can show you exactly what's working and help you multiply your successful strategies. Let's dive into the creation aspect first because this is where the magic really begins. Whatever your hobby is, AI can amplify your creative output exponentially. If you're into photography, AI editing tools can transform your images in seconds, creating professional grade results that would have taken hours of manual work. But it goes deeper than just editing. AI can analyze your photography style, suggest optimal shooting locations based on lighting and weather patterns, and even predict which types of images will perform best with your target audience. For those passionate about writing, AI writing assistants aren't here to replace your voice, but to help you write faster, overcome writer's block, and even adapt your content for different platforms and audiences. Imagine taking your hobby blog and having AI help you transform that content into social media posts, email newsletters, podcast scripts, and even short video content. One piece of creative work becomes multiple income opportunities across various platforms. Musicians and audio enthusiasts are experiencing similar transformations. AI music production tools can help you create professional-sounding tracks, generate harmonies, suggest chord progressions, and even master your recordings to industry standards. But the real power comes in distribution and discovery. AI algorithms can analyze your music style and automatically submit your tracks to playlists where they're most likely to be discovered by the right audience. Now let's talk about the marketing revolution that AI brings to hobby monetization. Traditional marketing felt impossible for most hobbyists because it required learning completely new skills that had nothing to do with their passion. AI changes this game entirely. Modern AI marketing tools can analyze your content and automatically identify your ideal customer demographics, interests, and online behaviors. These tools can create targeted advertising campaigns, write compelling ad copy, design graphics, and even predict the best times to post your content for maximum engagement. Imagine having a marketing team that works around the clock, constantly optimizing your reach and finding new potential customers while you focus on what you love doing. But here's where it gets really interesting. AI doesn't just help you market to random people. It helps you build genuine communities around your passion. AI-powered social media management tools can engage with your audience, respond to comments, and even identify potential collaboration opportunities with other creators in your niche. This creates authentic connections that lead to sustainable income rather than just quick sales. The customer service aspect is another game changer. AI chatbots can handle routine customer inquiries, process orders, and provide instant support to your customers. This means you can offer professional-level customer service without being tied to your computer all day. Your hobby business can operate and serve customers even while you're sleeping, traveling, or simply enjoying your passion without the pressure of constant availability. Let's explore some specific strategies that are working right now across different hobby categories. For creative hobbies like painting, crafting, or design, AI tools can help you create digital products that scale infinitely. Instead of just selling physical pieces, you can use AI to transform your art into patterns, digital prints, NFTs, or even animated versions. AI can also help you create step-by-step tutorials, online courses, or subscription-based content around your creative process. For knowledge-based hobbies like cooking, gardening, or fitness, AI can help you build comprehensive digital ecosystems. Your cooking experiments can become recipe apps, meal planning services, or personalized nutrition guides. AI can analyze your recipes for nutritional content, suggest substitutions for dietary restrictions, and even predict trending flavor combinations. Your weekend garden can evolve into a plant care app, seasonal growing guides, or automated consultation services. Gaming and technology hobbies have perhaps the most obvious AI integration opportunities, but many people are missing the deeper potential. Beyond just streaming or creating content about games, AI can help you build gaming tools, create educational content, develop mobile apps, or even design your own games. The key is thinking beyond the obvious monetization methods and exploring how AI can help you serve your gaming community in innovative ways. For collecting hobbies, whether it's vintage items, sports memorabilia, or specialized equipment, AI can revolutionize how you buy, sell, and share knowledge. AI-powered price prediction tools can help you identify undervalued items, while image recognition can help authenticate pieces or identify rare finds. So you can build databases, create valuation services, or develop educational content that serves other collectors. The fitness and wellness hobby space is exploding with AI opportunities. If you're passionate about yoga, running, weightlifting, or any physical activity, AI can help you create personalized workout plans, nutrition guides, progress tracking apps, or even virtual coaching services. AI can analyze movement patterns, suggest improvements, and create customized programs that adapt to individual needs and progress. One of the most powerful aspects of AI-powered hobby monetization is the ability to create multiple income streams from a single passion. Instead of just selling one product or service, AI helps you identify and develop numerous ways to serve your audience. This diversification creates more stable income and reduces the risk that comes with depending on a single revenue source. The data insights that AI provides are revolutionary for hobby entrepreneurs. Traditional businesses spend thousands on market research and analytics. AI tools give you similar insights automatically, showing you which content performs best, when your audience is most active, what products they're interested in, and even predicting future trends in your niche. This information helps you make informed decisions about where to invest your time and energy. But perhaps the most exciting aspect is how AI enables location independence for hobby-based businesses. Your passion project can reach a global audience through AI-powered translation tools, international marketing optimization, and automated fulfillment systems. A hobby that started in your garage can serve customers worldwide without you having to learn multiple languages or understand international business complexities. The scalability factor is crucial to understand. Traditional hobby monetization often hits ceiling effects where your income was directly tied to your available time. AI breaks through these limitations by automating repetitive tasks, optimizing processes, and enabling you to serve more customers without proportionally increasing your workload. Your AI-powered hobby business can grow while you maintain the joy and passion that started your journey. However, success with AI-powered hobby monetization isn't just about the tools. It's about strategic thinking and understanding how to integrate AI into your passion without losing the authentic elements that make your hobby special. The most successful hobby entrepreneurs use AI to handle the business mechanics while keeping their creative energy focused on what they love most. The timing for this approach couldn't be better. We're in a unique period where AI tools are powerful enough to create professional results, but accessible enough for individuals to use without technical expertise. The barrier to entry is lower than ever, but the potential returns are higher than they've ever been. Your next steps are clear. Start by identifying the aspects of your hobby that AI could enhance or automate. Look for AI tools specifically designed for your niche, but don't overlook general-purpose AI that could apply to your situation. Begin with 1 or 2 AI integrations rather than trying to implement everything at once. Focus on tools that either save you time, improve your output quality, or help you reach more people. Remember, the goal isn't to let AI take over your passion, but to use it as a powerful amplifier for what you already love doing. And the most successful AI-powered hobby businesses maintain the authentic passion and creativity that attracted people in the first place, while using artificial intelligence to handle the complex business operations that previously prevented hobbyists from scaling their income. The opportunity window is wide open right now, but it won't stay that way forever. As more people discover these strategies, competition will increase and the early advantages will diminish. The hobbyists who start implementing these AI strategies today will have significant advantages over those who wait. Your passion deserves to be profitable, and AI provides the tools to make that happen without sacrificing the joy that drew you to your hobby in the first place. The question isn't whether you can turn your hobby into income using AI. The question is how quickly you'll start and how far you're willing to scale. The tools are ready, the market is waiting, and your passion is the perfect foundation for building something extraordinary.